January 6th, 2021 lesson. A 9-pack of marbles cost $1.26. What is the unit price of each pack of marbles? So for 9-pack of marbles costs $1.26. What's that unit price of each? Unit price of each. So 9-pack of marbles costs $1.26. What goes on top? Money on top. $1.26. And in our denominator, we have 9-pack of marbles. So we'll do 9 marbles. All right, so guess what we're doing? Dividing. $1.26 divided by 9. When we have division and we only have that decimal on the inside of our house, we're going to pop that decimal right up. Now, 9 cannot go into 1, so I'm going to put that 0 there because it can't go into 1. 9 can go into 12 one time. 9 times 1 is 9. 12 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12 is going to be 3. And then I'm going to be able to drop that 6. 9 goes into 36 4 times because I know 9 times 4 is 36. When I subtract, I get 0. No remainders, nothing else to bring down. So $0.14 per marble, or you can say for 1 marble. Say per marble. And that's it. That's all our answer is. Woohoo! Great job. That's it for the lesson.